सूर्य कुमार यादव ने एक टीम बनाया है, भले फॉर्म नहीं था कुछ नहीं था, बट इट वाज हिज टीम। ये पूरा टीम उसका था।
आके डेरन जोशा लिटिल तो उनके सबसे बड़े बॉलर हैं, सो टेक्निकली दे वर प्लेइंग देयर बी टीम।
I don't mind Rana in white ball at all. I don't see him as a red ball player.
Suryavanshi, start playing Test cricket, please. And make everything okay. सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
They aren't even making Sundar bowl anymore. He's only batting in the IPL and for India.
गली क्रिकेट में भाई पहले बॉल पे आउट होने वाला है, ये बात करेगा हार्दिक पांड्या और स्टोक्स के बारे में।
Whose side are we on? Are we on team शशांक है और टीम कुक? Hello, and welcome back to yet another average episode of Overthrow. I'm only kidding, guys. I'm your host and those with the most, Chinmay Sharma, aka Scuba Chino. And just 1 second, guys. हाँ? नहीं, वो डिनर में कल का खाना बना देना और यार एक चीज़ बताना तो तुमको, थैंक यू यार फॉर एवरीथिंग. थैंक यू. See, this is what you have to do after Shashank Singh kind of shit happens, guys. I don't know if you all know this, but do you boys? I'm going to introduce everybody. Guys, first off, and I have to be सबसे अभी प्यार से बात करना है क्योंकि पता नहीं क्या इल्जाम लग जाए. Shashank, wherever you are, man, butter chicken for life. What's up, my live audience? What's up, guys? How's it going? Just want to say thank you so much for being here, guys. Thank you for all your services. Just don't file random FIR cases. And now we've got one of my favorite returning guests of all time. Oh, Harman Suniyo, babe.
Love you too, babe. Love you.
babes. With Ishan, brother, first time. Welcome
Thank you.
to the show.
Thank you for having me over.
Oh, absolutely our pleasure, guys. Do you guys know what's happened with Shashank Singh? It's not cricket related at all.
Yes, so I heard there was a complaint because Shashank's father wasn't very kind to his domestic help.
पेला है ब्रो उसको. बट यार अगर आप लोग ये देख रहे हो, आपको नहीं पता है, Shashank Singh, who's a very famous cricketer from his team, his beloved Punjab Kings,
My vice captain, मेरा छोटा सरपंच.
has become a sarpancho
Yeah,
because
yeah.
he's been accused of यार उसके कुक को उसको पसंद ही नहीं है उसका खाना और वो उसको पूरी फैमिली उसको apparently kidnap करके पेले and there's an FIR going on. Move on to Stokesy because he's called his time for the England team and यार अपने दम पे जा रहा है. Do you think it's too early over disciplinary actions and whatever's happened in the last few months?
I mean, you have to give him some leverage to do things on his own. And
Apart from
I'm not
socking somebody.
Yeah, I
on the
mean, I'm
street.
not happy with him retiring for sure because I feel all my Test cricket legends are retiring one after another, and there's no
Smith
reason.
गया, Kane Williamson गया.
There's no Kohli gaya, Stokesy gaya, so they're the entertainers of Test cricket. None of them are left right now. Like the only person that I could probably watch now would be Stark. Like watch him once in a while, and then nobody else. Like Indian, like Pujara also is not there for you to watch the game. Pant also is not there in his best of form. So I don't see any.
Suryavanshi, start playing Test cricket, please. And make everything okay. सब ठीक हो जाएगा.
I think Ben Stokes the new Andrew Flintoff of England, right? And he's
Yeah.
been aura farming ever since aura farming word did not exist.
But यार
So-
ईशान क्या लगता है? Was it the right time? क्योंकि हमें पता है क्या हुआ. First test के बाद उन्होंने ही कर्फ्यू सेट किया था.
Right.
कि post 12:30.
I think
being
there's
back
some
in
pressure. There was some pressure. Maybe it comes out internally. Maybe एक किताब लिखे Ben Stokes कुछ साल बाद उसमें पता लगे.
लगता है कि
But-
Ben Stokes किताब लिखने वाला टाइप है.
लिखवा तो सकते हैं, right? He could get it
I
done.
think Amazon must have a series on him already.
No, I was just saying, yeah. So Ben Stokes, I believe, कुछ तो निकल के आएगा. Of course, it's an early retirement because
Yeah.
he wasn't very old. 35, I think.
35, yeah.
35, so wasn't very old at all.
In modern day cricket era, for sure.
Yeah,
In modern day
yeah.
cricket era, not too old. Also focusing only on one form of cricket, so I don't think he should have retired that early. Considering if it was just he was a 3 format player, then makes sense for you to retire out of Test and focus on white ball.
But यार मुझे ये बता फिर कि ये जो पर्सनल चीजें हुई है उसको साइड में हटाते हैं. बट इंग्लैंड हैव आल्सो लॉस्ट द लास्ट 7 आउट ऑफ देयर 9 टेस्ट मैचेस. सो इवन इफ यू सी एज अ कैप्टन इतना अच्छा नहीं कर रहे हैं. आई थिंक वी जस्ट मे बी आर वी लुकिंग एट टेस्ट क्रिकेट फ्रॉम अ कूल पर्सपेक्टिव फ्रॉम इंग्लैंड एंड गिविंग हिम द लीव क्योंकि लूजिंग 7 out of 9 bro, most captains are out.
No, if you ask me like that, then for sure he should have left before the series started, and you should have had the transitioning period already.
But then that's also the think tank, right? The entire England with Baz, his coaching style, I think वो सभी ऐसा सोच रहे हैं कि बास्केटबॉल ही खेलना है.
Yeah, like you don't want to reverse sweep a fast bowler on the second ball of your.
I mean, I want to always. And so do you sneaky guy.
I would, but not in my last game. Like I would rather want to walk out the way I want to play and also be remembered like that. But Stokesy doing Stokesy things, it felt like it was baseball more than Stokesy, because I think Stokes could still play because he's like
Gifted.
yeah. So
But you guys saw what happened after that. Stokes reverse sweep the second ball, and then I think every alternate England player to give a tribute to him. As soon as they came in, they reverse sweeped a fast bowler. Every second ball, every player in that match reverse sweep.
How is there a tribute? Like
So-
let's मेरा विकेट चले जाए कोई बात नहीं, लेकिन स्टोक्सी के लिए ट्रिब्यूट. एंड हार ही गए ना फिर सीरीज.
हार ही गए.
तो यार
Yeah.
अगेन
Home series.
बॉयज यू ऑल थिंक द राइट टाइम फॉर स्टोक्सी टू लीव.
नहीं
यार
ये
पहली बार मैं तेरे लिए मूछे उगाया हूं और तू ही मुंडवा लिया अपना. क्यों?
आज ही निकाला.
So regretting this.
वो Stokesy की श्रद्धांजलि के लिए.
Oh, sure.
हाँ एक्चुअली नहीं, बेन स्टोक्स मेरा ऑल टाइम इंग्लैंड का फेवरेट प्लेयर है भाई. कि
All
फैंटास्टिक यार,
time, ever.
एवर.
Okay, fair enough.
No one's better than Ben Stokes भाई as an all-rounder, English all-rounder. मतलब no seriously, the way he contributed towards the sport कि not just red ball, even in white ball की T20 Stokes की सिर्फ 150 है पूरे T20 करियर में, वो भी वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल में. एंड 2019 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल, फिर हेडिंगली, एंड एट 2023 आई थिंक इट वाज इन लॉर्ड्स जो वो ये विकेट कीपर वाला हुआ था. कि कितने ज़्यादा मोमेंट्स हैं.
What is your favorite Stokesy moment of all time?
हेडिंगली,
The miracle of Headingley?
yeah,
100%.
हेडिंगली without a doubt,
Anybody has
unrivaled.
any other moments? The 155 at Lords for me, I think, stands out also. यार खतरनाक.
I think
Also
the double
the
century,
Australia.
In
the double
2013,
century
the
against
century.
South Africa, fastest ever double century for England.
Yeah,
I think
and second fastest overall.
2015-2016 में हुआ था.
2016.
That was a cracker of an innings.
But yeah, Headingley, I was just talking to you boys. 67 all out in the first innings.
Bradway hitting 4 sixes is also a great moment of Stokesy, I
Sorry?
remember.
Yeah.
Bradway hitting him for 4 sixes to win the game.
Remember the name.
Remember? Yeah, Carlos was great. But look, yeah, 67 all out in the first innings. And जो पारी उसने खेली है, I mean, that was ridiculous. And जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद है about Stokesy is, man, he came on his own terms, did things the way he wanted to. He just was that, yeah, I don't give a fuck kind of player, which I think in this world cricket where PR is such a big thing doesn't happen anymore.
Yeah.
Is there anybody else who's close to him in terms of vibe में या style में या just unabashed cricketer? Do you think और कोई है अभी बाकी?
I mean, India में तो obvious है, Pandya is close to him.
But किसी का है हैरी ब्रूक को छोड़ के anybody else you reckon
I
is
think
even
there's
in contention?
nobody on the radar other
No.
than Harry Brook. वही contention में लग रहा है. और कौन हो सकता है?
छोड़ दे, हैरी ब्रूक को ही छोड़ दे.
Harry Brook ही
अपना
है.
टेंशन है ही नहीं bro.
Yeah.
ECB's problem.
वो IPL भी नहीं खेलता.
Harry Brook does not play the IPL. That's true.
Yeah.
I would want to gamble with Bethel.
At that age,
I
any
think
experience?
yeah, like
Test में.
like either have Bethel as a vice captain, because you are seeing him as a 3 format player and he has a top order and an all rounder as a left arm, or he'll always be in the field, superb fielder, you can't have him out, and he is an exciting talent to watch as well. So I think if you are looking at giving birth to a blockbuster, I think
But इतना pressure, चलो, we'll have to see.
Do you think Jofra could be given a chance? Looking at his experience. No.
फिट ही नहीं है, खेलेगा ही नहीं सारे मैचेस.
Injury prone बहुत है.
Jasprit Bumrah.
एंड आई थिंक मकलम को स्टेप डाउन कर लेना चाहिए
Oh boy.
इफ ही इज नॉट सैक्ड, क्योंकि पूरा वो कंसेप्ट ही फेल हो गया. एंड दे शुड हैव अ फ्रेश
और
स्टार्ट.
अब तो बेन स्टोक्स भी चला गया. उन्हीं की जोड़ी
The
थी.
father of,
बाज एंड बेन
baseball.
स्टोक्स.
इवन
Yeah,
माइकल वॉन्स सेड इट कि हैरी ब्रूक एंड मकलम टुगेदर विल बी कैटास्ट्रोफिक, कि ये इनको साथ में नहीं रख सकते.
बट कल ही बाज की स्टेटमेंट आई है दैट ही इज लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू वर्किंग विद द न्यू कैप्टन.
Of course he'll say that. He'll never say, no bro. ये तो पहले कोई भी आ जाओ, मैं ready हूँ यार.
no, but I don't know, are they rumors or what, but Ravi Shastri being looked at to coach the next
Whoa.
England team. Yeah.
That'll be sick, bro.
For the captain shout ना चिनो, मेरे को I think so Jamie Smith will be a good option because वो consistent भी है and as a number 6 and wicket keeper भी है.
Leadership qualities?
Yeah, he's a keeper, wicket keeper है ना, and test में
Keeper
keeper.
तो पंत भी है, bro. We've seen what kind of captain he
जेमी
is.
स्मिथ स्पिन अच्छा खेलता है तो एशिया में भी अच्छा खेल सकता है.
Yeah, so and he's consistent, मतलब proper test batter ही है वो. I don't think so उसको ODI में अब तक ODI में चांस मिला उसको.
ओडीआई में मिला है।
हाँ T20 में मिला
भी
है
उसने पिछले साल इंडिया इंग्लैंड सीरीज में अच्छा करा था।
प्रॉपर वो टेस्ट बैटर ही बन गया है मतलब, एंड इंडिया में भी देखा था, इंडिया के अगेंस्ट भी ही कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस दे रहा था, इसमें भी अच्छा खेल लिया था, एंड कीपर भी है, सो थोड़ा आई थिंक सो हैरी ब्रूक अगर नहीं रखेंगे तो जेमी स्मिथ एक ऑप्शन बन सकता है।
He's like trying to become the Adam Gilchrist of Australia, you know, नंबर 6 नंबर 7 पे
Ain't
आके।
nobody gonna be an Adam Gilchrist of anything ever.
Nobody
bro.
can,
I'm
man.
gonna drop
Nobody
that conversation right there. But you were talking about disappointments, bro. India, Ireland, guys. What the fuck has our team done? यार श्रेयस अय्यर को चांस दिया है, और यार जो भी बोल रहा है श्रेयस अय्यर का कैप्टनसी प्रॉब्लम, आई वांट टू से अपना कोर तो वही है टीम का. सो हाउ इज सडनली श्रेयस अय्यर एट फॉल्ट? लाइक डू यू गाइस हैव एन इनपुट? यार आयरलैंड, come on.
I wouldn't disregard the team. The team, like the cricket that they played was good. They've always had, they put pressure on England also whenever they've had any series. So the defeat didn't, like it's not a surprise. Defeats, yeah. 150 नहीं पार किए भाई दो, like
The
that
irony
kind of
is
bothered.
सीरीज जीत के उनके कोच ने अगले दिन रिजाइन कर दिया। So Ireland's coach put in his papers the next morning.
Bro, that's what you call
Yeah.
ending on a high.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what you call ending on a high. I agree.
Really said eat shit.
उनका कोच क्या बोला मान लो, कैसा फिर आवाज नहीं आ रहा, बोलना कैसा फिर, अरे बोलो आवाज नहीं आ रहा,
Bro,
ऐसा बोल रहा होगा भाई। मतलब आप, मतलब जितने भी प्रीवियस क्रिकेटर रहेंगे उनको बहुत शर्म आती होंगी, मतलब एज ए इंडियन फैन भी मुझे बहुत बुरा लगा, लेकिन दूसरे मैच में आप 1 रन से हार जाते हो, मतलब
IPL के बाद वो एडजस्टमेंट हो ही नहीं पाई।
Who do you blame, Sam? किसका दोष?
ब्लेम मतलब
Main. मतलब यार 11 players have to perform. But you think it's a Gautam Gambhir issue? You think it's a captaincy issue?
गौतम गंभीर के कोचिंग में ना बहुत सारे हार देखे हैं हम लोग ने, टेस्ट का देख लो, T20 का भी देख लो, T20 में
तभी तो
मतलब
बचा हुआ है वो
अभी
अभी तक।
अभी मैं बोलूंगा सूर्या का टॉपिक तो आप बोलोगे नहीं कि कैप्टेंसी का इशू है, या श्रेयस अय्यर का दिक्कत नहीं है ऐसा मुझे लग रहा, लेकिन आप अगर कोई प्लेयर को लेके जा रहे हो वहाँ पे खिलाने के लिए, लेकिन आप उसको खिला नहीं रहे हो,
Suryavanshi you're talking about.
ठीक है। दूसरी बात, जितने भी प्लेयर खेल रहे हैं मतलब वो लग नहीं रहा कि आप उतना मतलब इससे खेल रहे हो, मतलब जितना लगन लगाते हैं ना।
Who do you think? Who do you blame for this loss, man?
I think it's casualness. It's pure casualness. It didn't feel like, it felt like they're missing an owner in the stands. Like that's the only way they're going to perform. It just felt like that कि कोई चाहिए जो ये ले पैसा ले नाच. Like it just felt a little off for
I
me.
think it was a mindset,
Yeah.
a little bit of overconfidence. क्योंकि ऐसा तो नहीं है कि हम पिच पे एडजस्ट कर ही नहीं सकते। IPL
यार
पहले भी खेले हैं।
अपने कोर से बुमराह वाज मिसिंग, हार्दिक पांड्या वाज मिसिंग, और कोई था फ्रॉम द T20 वर्ल्ड
नहीं,
कप?
सिर्फ यही दो थे, और उनकी तरफ से मार्क एडेर वाज मिसिंग, जोशा लिटिल वाज मिसिंग।
Oh, yeah.
There are a couple of main,
think four,
I think
top
four of
liners
them,
are
but Mark Adair and Joshua Little तो उनके सबसे बड़े बॉलर हैं। So technically they were playing their B team,
Yeah.
And
at least with their bowlers.
यार bowling, and ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा हार्ड है, आई नो वी आर नॉट क्रिकेट एनालिस्ट पर से, बट डू यू थिंक इंडिया इतना यूज्ड टू है फ्लैट ट्रैक बुलीज होने के बाद कि थोड़ा सा बाउंस और निप आ जाए, दे जस्ट कुडंट एडजस्ट?
नहीं, I
That
think-
you've seen in India also. Like अगर तू ज़्यादा कुछ दे देगा ट्रैक
पे।
में, तो because I think the whole idea of see ball hit ball has gone into their blood so much that they don't know that they can leave a ball, they can just test it out for a while. Like Samson थोड़ा adjust करने की कोशिश भी किया, but he would just give up his wicket too soon. Like it's like Samson right now is a very extreme vulnerable person. देगा तो बहुत देगा, नहीं देगा तो फिर
कुछ नहीं।
पूरा लेके जाएगा साथ में.
दिस वॉज सूर्य कुमार यादव प्रॉपर टीम, ठीक है। अभी सूर्य कुमार यादव को तुम लोग ये सीरीज में लेके जा सकते थे एज अ वाइस कैप्टन या फिर एज अ बेंच में, एंड देन श्रेयस। अभी तुम लोग 3-4 दिन का ट्रेनिंग कैंप मिला श्रेयस अय्यर को, कैसे टीम रेडी करेगा? उसको पता ही नहीं कि बाबा टाइम एक सीरीज तो लगेगा उसको कि बाबा हाँ ये टीम है। वो 2-3 साल ये टीम में ही नहीं था, तुम लोगों ने उसको डायरेक्ट कैप्टन बना दिया। तो ब्लेम श्रेयस अय्यर पे भी जाना चाहिए, बोर्ड पे भी जाना चाहिए, बट ये टीम मतलब सूर्य कुमार यादव का जब था, तुम लोग को समझना चाहिए कि आयरलैंड एक बोगी सीरीज़ है, ठीक है। तुम लोगों ने सोचा था कि हाँ बाबा सूर्यवंशी को लेके जाएंगे, नाम का उसके नाम का बोर्ड लगाएंगे एंड बेचेंगे उसके टिकट्स, बट ट्रांजिशन नाम का एक चीज़ होता है। डायरेक्ट तुम श्रेयस अय्यर नए कैप्टन को पूरा टीम दे दोगे यार, उसको एक वीक भी नहीं मिला ट्रेनिंग का कि बाबा हाँ ये फॉर्मेशन है, ये फॉर्मेशन है, 2 ही मैच का सीरीज है, ऐसा भी नहीं कि 5 मैच का सीरीज है. सो ऑब्वियसली जब चेंजेस होते हैं तो टीम में देख के आ रहे थे कि कौन किधर खेलने वाला है. तिलक नंबर 5 पे है, कौन श्रेयस है नंबर 4 पे आने वाला है, ईशन किशन 3 पे, कुछ फिक्स नहीं था. सो दिस वॉज गोइंग टू हैपन एनीवेज.
So again, it's your casual approach
Yeah,
that is.
and they were missing a substitute.
That's
चाहिए-
true.
impact सब
You
चाहिए
think
था
इसके
उनको.
बाद we have woken up और इंग्लैंड के सीरीज में are you expecting to see सूर्यवंशी starting
Yeah,
for
yeah.
India?
He'll be in the playing 11. You start with him.
नो आई डोंट थिंक सो. मतलब बेंच किसको करेगा? बिकॉज सैमसन एंड अभिषेक शर्मा हैज
Sanju,
डन नथिंग
I mean,
रॉन्ग.
if you ask me, I'm saying Sanju Samson is.
But Sanju's done nothing wrong other than the last 2 games in the World Cup, semi-final, final. So are you going to only judge him against Ireland? That's also.
No, it's not that. Now either you judge him on his form as per cricket, कि तू कितना क्रिकेट खेला पिछले 4 महीने में और मेरे को क्या दिया है तू, और if you judge him as per what you've done for India, then most of the people who are making into the team have done nothing wrong. Like Ishan Kishan
yeah.
also. So my problem is you're going to judge a person's form with cricket in general, not in cricket for India.
Then Vaibhav should be there for sure.
Yeah, exactly,
on current
because-
form, no
Yeah,
brainer.
there is also one point which I would probably blame Gautam Gambhir for is you look at our single format players, Sanju Samson, Rishabh Pant are all single format players, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Jaiswal is a one format player, and then you see our all format players. There's Washington Sundar,
Yeah.
Prasidh Krishna, who are for me the biggest problem in this series. इन दोनों का परफॉर्मेंस था, एंड ऑफ कोर्स हर्षित राणा,
Yeah.
which उसको चलो ही इज हॉट एंड कोल्ड. प्रसिद्ध कृष्ण, वॉशिंगटन सुंदर आर आर और फॉर्मेट प्लेयर्स यार.
I was seeing a stat somewhere that Prasid, I think पिछले 1.5 साल में जितना पिटा है ओवरऑल, उतना पूरे T20 क्रिकेट में किसी ने उतने रन नहीं दिए जितने
Internationally,
प्रसिद्ध कृष्णा ने दिए.
yes.
और वो अपना ऑल फॉर्मेट प्लेयर है, तो क्या ग्रूम कर रहे हो आप? और अगर उसको लंबा लीश दिया है, देन व्हाट इज द प्लान, एंड देन व्हाट इज प्लान बी?
I don't know how do you keep Bapu out. Akshay Patel was supposed to be there, right? Those are my few problems that I see. Prasidh Krishna, okay, you're gambling, sure. When you've got somebody like a Prince Yadav in, who is doing an absolute beautiful job, he's sticking to his line and length. Like watching him ball, like oh, he's still continuing where he came
और
from.
फ्लैट ट्रैक्स पे वो आईपीएल में अगर परफॉर्म
Exactly.
कर रहे हो तो इधर यू विल एक्सट्रैक्ट मोर पेस एंड बाउंस.
Exactly.
You said
Yeah.
how do you keep Bapu out? You know, इंडिया में आई फील एक प्रॉब्लम है कि जो पुराना हो जाता है ना प्लेयर, उससे लोग बोर हो जाते हैं. जैसे ये बात ना पार्थिव पटेल ने कही थी. ही सेड कि यार मैं इतने टाइम से खेल रहा हूँ, मेरे को निकाला क्योंकि इवन आशीष नेहरा मेड दिस स्टेटमेंट कि लोगों को लगता है मैं पुराना हो गया हूँ. बट व्हाट डू यू मीन पुराना हो गया? इफ आई एम स्टिल, इफ एज इज स्टिल ऑन माई साइड, आई कैन प्ले, राइट? सो आई थिंक similar with Aksar as well. He did very well.
Like he gives everything on the field. He's a joy to watch. He keeps it calm. He comes in at any position. You want him to play at 3, he'll play at 3. You want him to play at 9, he'll play at 9. You are trying to do an Akshar out of Sundar. That can't happen. That cannot happen because the pressure situations Akshar's performed in, Sundar has never faced that.
From these three players that I just mentioned, अपने 3 all format players, Harshit Rana should play how many according to you?
See, Rana, I don't
Where do you
mind.
see him?
I don't mind Rana in white ball at all. I don't see him as a red ball player at all. Like I think that's my thing. I'd rather have
What about Prasidh?
keep him in the red ball. He's not a white ball player for me.
Period. For
Yeah.
you. And Washi?
Washi, give him. I don't know, man.
Nothing.
Yeah, like Washi, I don't see him in Test cricket at all.
बिल्कुल नहीं रेट करते
नहीं,
उसको.
नहीं.
What about you, buddy?
I'll echo his thoughts with Harshit. White ball, we saw in the Ireland series as well. Almost won it for India in the end. So he could also hit the long ball. Then what was the
Prasidh.
other player?
Prasidh.
Prasidh, currently I don't see him anywhere, unfortunately. But it's a very sad story because I read an article on ESPN in 2019 where Prasidh Krishna and a couple of other guys were sent to England by the BCCI. When they were not even a part of Team India, they were injured or something.
Yeah.
And the BCCI has always taken care of Prasidh, even when he wasn't in the team. तो BCCI को बहुत भरोसा है. और उस टाइम पे, yeah, I remember there was another one called Kamlesh Nagarkoti.
Yeah. Oh.
Yeah. So ये दोनों साथ गए थे इंग्लैंड BCCI के पैसे पे, पूरा रिकवर होके आए. So I believe that because the BCCI is invested too much in them, now they want some return.
No, I think everybody needs luck. As this thing, bring on Suryavanshi, क्योंकि if you ask me, I think he is the most interesting prospect in world cricket right now. और अगर आप उसको bench पे रख रहे हो, I don't know who's going to get removed, but get him on.
अब तो उसका भाई भी तैयार हो रहा है, आशीर्वाद.
उसका भाई यार bro, 15 साल पे you already have the next Suryavanshi.
Yeah.
15 साल का लड़का है, 15-16 साल का, and you're already looking forward to the next.
Imagine
in
both
his
of
own
them
family.
opening for Team
भाई
India.
अभी
That'll be
सीन
crazy.
क्या हुआ है पता है उसका, वैभव सूर्यवंशी का, कि T20 में IPL में हम लोग को उसको इतना देखने की आदत हो गई ना कि अभी थोड़े टाइम अपन उसको नहीं देख पा रहे ना. उसका जो बैटिंग है, जो उसके शॉट्स है, जो मतलब वो खेलता है ना, मतलब ताबड़तोड़ बैटिंग है. जो चाहिए ना अभी, मतलब हर किसी को चाहिए होता है हर बॉल पे 6 और 4, मतलब बोलते हैं ना, कोई भी चलता है, मतलब बैठे हैं भाई ये बॉल पे 6 आएगा, और वो भाई बंदा मार भी देता है उस बॉल पे 6 या 4.
तो
मतलब
मैं
हर किसी
जिंदगी
को
में इंडिया का मैच नहीं देखा हूँ. वो खेलने लगा है इंडिया के लिए. सोनी को मैं, मतलब वो चैनल देखता ही नहीं था ब्रो.
But you need an opener who has a temperament. So Suryavanshi doesn't have that temperament. You give him a free hand, he's 16. Dude, look at his bat swing only. You know, he's already loading like 3-4 times. So let Suryavanshi do.
बट पाजी हमने SRH में देखा ही है ना, जैसे अभिषेक शर्मा और ट्रेविस हेड खेलते हैं, उनमें भी दोनों में तो पागल ही है. एंड मतलब द वे दे प्ले, बिकॉज 300.
Travis doesn't take any pressure. उसके पास
एग्जैक्टली, सूर्यवंशी भी नहीं लेते हैं.
हाँ, तो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ ना. तो शर्मा
बट
has
अभी
to play
फॉर्मेट ये हो
temperament.
गया है, इफ यू आर गोइंग ऑल आउट देन गो पूरा ऑल आउट ना. मतलब ये दो विकेट ऐसे पकड़ो कि तुम लोग,
भाई तुम
18 for 2 in 3 overs और 500 in fucking 6
बिकॉज वी
overs.
हैव सीन दिस. न्यूजीलैंड ने भी यही किया था, न्यूजीलैंड ने भी वर्ल्ड कप में यही किया था. साइफर्ट एंड एलन जो थे, दोनों भी ऑल आउट ही जाने के. बट कभी ऐसा हुआ तो
But I think horses for courses, अगर आप पर्थ में खेल रहे हो, will it be right
But
for
अब
Abhishek
try
and
क्या
Vaibhav
किया
to
है?
open
We'll
it
try
first?
ना.
I'm not telling to change Abhishek's game. I'm telling to make his game better.
आई 100%. अभिषेक शर्मा को वो लीडर, मतलब अभी वो एक्सपीरियंस
Yeah.
हो गया है, तो थोड़ा सा उसको अभी संभालना पड़ेगा कि बाबा कब अगर सूर्यवंशी खेल रहा है तो कभी कभी मेरे को थोड़ा सा हल्का लेना पड़ेगा.
The moment Gill comes back, there's a conversation about Gill coming back into T20. The
मुश्किल
moment
है.
Gill comes back, then Abhishek Sharma can go all out.
आई
Then
वाज
you-
हैप्पी बिकॉज सूर्यवंशी को इसमें 2 मैच में नहीं खिला, बिकॉज ये 2 मैच में उसको खिलाते
अरे
ना.
उसको नहीं खिलाया क्योंकि उसको इंग्लैंड के लिए बचा रहे हैं, क्योंकि वहां पर
बट
उनको-
एनीवेज अगर 2 मैच जो खिलाते ना, 2 मैच में से एक भी मैच अगर फ्लॉप होता तो वापस उस पर नाम होता कि बाबा खिला के नहीं खेला. बिकॉज ये 2 मैच, आई डोंट थिंक सो ये दोनों मैच में कुछ उखाड़ पाता, बिकॉज वो कंडीशन पे फैमिलियर हुए नहीं थे एंड पिच बॉल स्विंग भी अच्छे से हो रहा था. तो सूर्यवंशी अगर फ्लॉप होता तो उस पर विचार में प्रेशर आता कि बाबा डेब्यू में मैं अच्छा नहीं कर पाया. सो इंग्लैंड आई
वो
थिंक
तो
सो,
रोता for sure.
हाँ या लफड़ा करता किसी से.
I think he sobs when nobody's watching.
For sure, for sure.
I think he eats ice cream and then he sobs sometimes.
और जैसे आप बोल रहे हो ना, अभिषेक शर्मा को युविपा का रोल करना चाहिए. मतलब जहाँ पे ताबड़तोड़ है वहाँ पे ताबड़तोड़ है, लेकिन जहाँ पे सचिन पाजी और सहवाग का विकेट गया है वहाँ पे आपको रुक के खेलना है और पूरा गेम लेके जाना
Exactly.
है.
That is what I'm asking. That
Okay,
is
just a
what the
little
game
तो
has
वो
to be.
खेलते खेलते उसको, मतलब अभी हम तो बोलने वाले हैं नहीं, लेकिन उनको वैसे खेलते खेलते थोड़ा बहुत आ जाएगा. यार युविपा खुद सिखा रहे, उसको तो कुछ तो लिया होगा.
Do you guys follow Major League Cricket at all?
A little bit, yeah.
Did you follow what happened on Sunday, bro?
The hat trick and then the last ball
oh
6.
my God, yeah.
Crazy,
No,
man, crazy.
it's crazy.
Crazy.
MLC ना?
हाँ, तो
Yeah.
अकील हुसैन was bowling. लास्ट ओवर में 6 रन चाहिए थे, ठीक है, और बैटिंग कर रहे थे माको यानसन. पहला
वो
बॉल
out
डॉट
हुआ.
हुआ है, सेकंड बॉल पे
Out हो गया.
हैट्रिक, ब्रो, हैट्रिक. So 5 required, then single लिया, 5 required of 2 balls और निखिल
Dot.
चौधरी छक्का.
Yeah.
मतलब bro, now that is the kind of shit I want to see in India, England, bro.
And what a story. Nikhil Chaudhary from Punjab.
What a
And
Well,
he
that
recently-
is what I was telling you, like the talent stories, that how people are able to draw around Indian cricketers. Like BBL may just see the intro that Brett Lee gives to Nikhil Chaudhary. It's beautiful to watch.
What did it tell us?
Like he just talks about from where he is coming from and why does he have a longer run up and why does he dig his feet so much.
And what, क्या था reason?
क्योंकि पंजाब से आता है and Punjab soil is like that and his cricketing culture is like that, and that is why he makes a better format player in Australia, because that versatility that Nikhil is able to bring for the Australian team is what the middle order is lacking. So they play a major fit. Tim David and Nikhil Chaudhary are going to be beasts in the loading. Like just imagine both of them in the middle order. They come at number 4 and 5.
And Tim David played for Singapore back in the day.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Which is absolutely crazy. Which is also why, I mean, big shout out, but there was a crazy, guys, I haven't, unfortunately, I'm not proud of my ignorance, followed the Sri Lanka West Indies, but there was a 400 plus run partnership that happened.
Amir Jangu and Roston Chase.
And Roston Chase, bro, I mean, that, kya ho raha hai
Roston
yaar?
Chase scored 100 after 2,500 days. Approximately.
After 12. Wow.
Approximately. I might not be completely.
But Roston Chase has also won them a game by batting. Like few test games, Chase has done really well as a
Under 100, obviously.
yeah.
On that little sour note, we will move on to the quiz. So, bro, I'll explain you quickly before we start the quiz. It's 10 questions, 5 each.
Okay.
So you one each. You guys can discuss the answers.
Okay.
Both the teams get one steal. So I'm asking them the question. You can steal it before they answer,
Okay.
and you get double points for that. But if you fuck up, the steal is minus one.
Okay. So we have to raise our hand if you want to steal a question or just answer.
No, just say steal.
Okay.
Just say steal,
स्टील एक ही बार रहता है
and only one steal per team. You guys obviously are ready. No, last time I started with you guys, so I'm going to start with my panelists. Boys. Boys. I know, your bunt is clenched. Fingers are crawled up. Okay, we start off. Question number 1. Which batter holds a distinct record of getting dismissed on 99 thrice in ODIs?
It's not Sachin Tendulkar.
It's Sachin Tendulkar.
Is it?
It's Sachin Tendulkar.
Final answer? Yeah. Bang on. Sachin Tendulkar is correct. Good start, lads. 1-0. Boys, to you. All the cricketers who played 150 plus tests had careers spanning over 15 years except one player.
एंडरसन को हो गया, ब्रॉड को हो गया,
Chef. It has to be chef.
Huh?
Alistair Cook.
Alistair Cook is the right answer, my guy. It is one apiece.
He retired too early, man.
One apiece. Right. Gentlemen, after losing to Ireland, which full member nation remains the only one to not win a T20I against India? I'll repeat the question. After we lost to Ireland.
स्टील
Yes, go on.
अफगानिस्तान
Afghanistan is the right answer. 2 points to you, Lord.
रोहित शर्मा
अफगानिस्तान के साथ सुपर ओवर हुआ था ना हमारा वो 3 बार.
3-1. And now question comes to you.
Damn.
Sachin has been dismissed in the 90s for the most number of times, which is 27. Okay? Who is the second batter on that list?
Steal.
It's a -1 if you get it wrong.
-1 कब आया भाई?
वो हमेशा स्टील का. ये एक्साइट हो गया बंदा. बता दे.
The legend who just retired, Kane Williamson.
Is correct.
Good one, man. Good one, bro.
Steal going on,
Good
my
one.
guy.
Wow.
3 apiece. And now to take the lead. There is only one instance in the 21st century where no batter has managed to reach double figures in a test innings. Which match is this? There is only one instance in the 21st century where no batter has managed to reach.
This is the
India,
20 India-Australia
Melbourne?
2022?
Melbourne.
2020.
The MCG.
No. 2020 का टेस्ट मैच है.
Okay. 2020 was Adelaide.
Adelaide.
Is that your final answer?
Adelaide.
You don't think the 67 that England got against Australia
No,
in the first innings could
no.
have been one of them? It
No,
was
because that had 2 or 3 ducks. So maybe one of them would have scored a double figure.
final answer India Australia.
Australia, Adelaide.
2020.
India, Australia is second dive.
After this, they won the next test match. So
Correct.
this is the 37.
First of all, stop pointing fingers at me because you're
sorry,
right.
sorry.
They have 4-3.
Under Kohli's captaincy.
Under.
Under.
Never lest we forget.
फिर बच्चा पैदा करने आया था वो इंडिया, ठीक है?
फिर जीत गया इंडिया सीरीज.
हाँ, कोई बात नहीं भाई.
अंडर आने.
Under Rane. Well done. 4-3. Guys, this is crazy times. We're halfway through the quiz. 5 questions left. To you guys. 4-3. Okay. The last ball of the 2011 ODI World Cup and the first ball of the 2015 ODI World Cup was bowled by the same bowler.
Nuwan Kulasekara.
Is a bang on, bro. And you obviously remember that because Dhoni finishes off in style. I have to clap for that. All right. 4 apiece. Boys, this is getting really close. Who are the only batsmen or batters to be dismissed in 90s, 190s and 290s in cricket? There are only 2 batters. Okay, I'll repeat the question. Who are the only 2 batters to
I
be
have to
dismissed?
answer both or one?
Both. 90s, 190s and 290s.
एक तो सहवाग है.
Sehwag.
Sehwag is a right answer.
दूसरा 190 29. अबे रुकना.
Don't put pressure, guys.
6, 5.
ये क्या है? मैं तुम लोग फिर से बोलो. शेफ का दिया ना तेरे को टाइम, एलिस्टर कुक का टाइम दिया ना.
ठीक है, ले लो.
तेरे को इंग्लिश में
5
समझ
सेकंड
नहीं आया.
Can you repeat your question once, please?
Who are the only batters to be dismissed in the 90s, 190s, and 290s in Test cricket? One is Sehwag, like you said.
190s and 290s. Hasim Amla.
I want a final answer.
No, this is not my final answer.
You guys can start the countdown now.
अरे हो गया.
I need an answer right now, guys. We've crossed the 10-second mark. I'm gonna give you 3, 2, 1. Just say it. Okay, I'm gonna count
Sachin
this.
Tendulkar.
Sachin Tendulkar is the wrong answer. You just gave the answer. Alistair Cook.
Alistair Cook. Fuck!
That's why I looked at him.
Fuck!
It's still 4 apiece.
Yeah, 4
apiece.
apiece.
अरे इसका आधा पॉइंट तो दे.
Okay. All right, boys. For the lead, who was the first Indian to win a Man of the Match or Player of the Match award in a T20I match? Who was the first Indian to win a Player of the Match in a T20I match? I'll give you a hint. It was for 28 ball 31 runs scored. I mean, back in the day, it was a different game.
कुछ पता है आपको? नहीं रे, उसका डेब्यू है वो फाइनल.
And I'm giving you guys a hint. उसमें he made 31 runs of 28 balls.
अच्छा ये हिंट दे सकता है तू हैं?
Is it Dinesh Karthik?
DK is unfortunately for them the right answer. You are right, guys. It is 5-4. You
अरे
are
we are right ना?
I said unfortunately for them. Hey, catch my wordplay, bro. Catch my wordplay. 5-4. Okay, guys, this is to keep you alive. You're fighting. We're fighting. You're fighting, and it's still in their hands. Who is the only Indian cricketer to have played 100 Test matches and not play a single World Cup match?
I know this, man.
The only Indian cricketer, I'll give you a hint, he's a batter, to have played 100 Test matches
10,
and not
9,
play a single
8,
World Cup match.
7.
Puji?
Puji is unfortunately the wrong answer. It is someone who plays just like him, technical VVS Laxman.
Oh fuck. चुत गई गुरु.
A player made his test debut 5th November 1999. From that point on, he went on to play 96 consecutive Test matches for his country, which is a world record.
Is it बोल? नहीं
5th November 1999 को डेब्यू किया था. उसके बाद 96 consecutive tests for country.
एडम गिलक्रिस्ट.
ये तुक्के में बोला कि you feel it.
इसने क्रिस बोला तो मेरे को वही गिलक्रिस्ट लगा, इसलिए मैं बोल दिया.
सही लगा, बिल्कुल सही लगा. You're right there also. That's crazy, bro.
Well played, guys.
6-4. 6-4, and on that note, guys, these guys just don't miss, man. These guys just don't miss. That is crazy.
They win every time.
They've lost twice in 15 episodes.
Okay, so I don't feel that bad then.
You should. These guys are just mad.
I feel bad, man. I've lost every time.
Guys, this is getting a bit much of a habit. But listen, if you guys are keen on coming, being part of the panel or the live audience, please reach out to us, DM us, and keep liking, sharing, subscribing, bro. You guys help NCISs and whatever you identify as, because you guys help keep these lovely lights on. You guys help get them lunches and dinners, and these guys their flight tickets back home, and me my meager appearance fee. So please, अगर आपको कुछ अच्छा लगे comment करो, अगर कुछ बुरा लगे comment करो, लेकिन subscribe करना मत भूलना. It really helps us with the algorithm. And in the meanwhile, keep watching.
Overthrow.
Subscribe to
Cover Drive.